What's up guys, it's Nicole, also known as Nikki Vegan, and in today's video I've done a little grocery haul, not little actually, a big box came to my house filled with all kinds of vegan snacks, some vegan pantry items, and also some vegan Halloween candy options that I'm really excited to share with you. I got all of this stuff on Thrive Market, and if you don't know what Thrive Market is, it's basically an online grocery store where you can just click vegan, or you can go to snacks and click vegan, or you could click organic, gluten-free, whatever you like, whatever is important to you, and when those filters are on, everything that doesn't fit into those categories just goes away. So you don't have to waste time checking labels, you don't have to worry like, is this organic, is this vegan? It all is just there right in front of you, streamlined and super efficient. So I love using Thrive for that reason, and because it's cheaper, let's be honest. But I also really love that for every membership that Thrive receives, they also give one to a teacher, a veteran, or a family in need, and I love that ethos. I really love supporting a company that is really trying to give back and do their part. So if you guys want to try Thrive Market, make sure you check out the description box below. I will put some of my favorite items that I got from this haul in the description box below as well, so make sure you check that out after watching this video. And with all of that said, let's get taste testing. The first thing I'm going to try are these Outstanding Foods PigOut Original Pigless Bacon Chips. They're really thin and kind of curled. Tastes like bacon. A lot like bacon. Made with majestic mushrooms, which are carefully cooked and seasoned to create authentic bacon taste. This is basically a bag of like the crispy ends of bacon, I would say. I think that's a really good way of describing it. And on the back of the bag, it says that you can use this in BLT sandwiches, on salads, to top your mac and cheese, or even add some crunch to your avocado toast. And I think that's a really good idea. I'm shocked by these. I decided to test out the BLT theory, so I did kind of a cross between a BLT and an avocado toast. I just toasted up some bread and added a thick layer of avocado with a sprinkle of salt, and then I added some cherry tomatoes and lots of the bacon chips on top. And I actually found that I really prefer using the chips this way, involved in some kind of sandwich or in a salad. I think it'd be really good, like the bag suggested, on top of mac and cheese or something. But because it has such a strong meat flavor, I don't think I could actually like sit and snack on them. That would be too strange, but on a sandwich, it was bomb. These popped up in my search, and I was very curious. So these are Korean barbecue style bold bites. They kind of look almost like a Dorito or a tortilla chip or something. And they're Korean barbecue flavor, but they're organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan. And I was like, putting that in my cart. I cannot ever open a bag like a normal human. It's just not a skill I possess. Weird. Yes. Okay, these are a little bit sweet, but they definitely have a savory element, which I really like. They have a definite soy sauce flavor, and you're getting like black pepper. I'm definitely getting a little bit of smokiness and garlickiness, but there's also like the ginger and the sweetness to balance it out. 10 out of 10. These are super flavorful, really nice crunch, delicious. Okay, let's move on to tea. I love tea. I'm a coffee person during the day, but tea person at night all the way, even in the summertime. It's just so cozy. And my favorite one, especially this time of year, you guys probably already know, is this one. It's a caramel tea, and I do a splash of unsweetened soy milk or almond milk in there to make it really nice and creamy, and it is so delicious. It kind of feels like a dessert, and definitely a really nice treat that I have, you know, all throughout the year, but especially in the fall time. This is like my every night tea, and it's just really relaxing and cozy, and it's caffeine free, so you can definitely have this any time of day. So I got 2 boxes of those because I wanted to load up. So the next tea that caught my attention when I was shopping on Thrive was this Teapigs chai tea, and it's basically a tea that's flavored with cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, and vanilla, and that combination is just so folly, so I'm very excited about this. And it also says that the tea bags themselves are biodegradable, which I think is really cool. So I'm excited to try this one. I'm going to be doing some recipe testing, so I got these organic apple rings. These are obviously going to be really delicious in any kind of baked good, so if you chop them up and you put them into your favorite oatmeal cookies, that's going to be delicious. I also like to chop them up and put them in my oatmeal in the morning or in salads. It's a really nice texture and a little bit of sweetness throughout a salad, which can be really satisfying, and they also just make a really nice snack. Sometimes I'll pack these up in a container with a handful of walnuts or pumpkin seeds or something and have a really good energizing snack that I can throw into my purse. So I picked up a big bag of these, and I'm really excited. This is my pride and joy of my haul. Like, this is the thing I was the most excited about. This is the thing that I haven't had and I've been wanting to have, and it's so much cheaper on Thrive than it is at my local grocery store. So if you're wondering what this is basically a vegan Nutella. It's by Nutiva. It's an organic hazelnut spread with cacao, and this is the classic flavor. It's labeled vegan right on the outside. Obviously you can use this in so many different ways, but one of my favorites is to make my vegan Ferrero Rocher recipe. That involves using this in the center, and I actually like them better because they are so like decadent and delicious, and I make them all the time at Christmas time. I make them for my vegan friends and my non-vegan friends, and they're super popular, so I'll make sure to put that recipe in the description box below. But just like on toast, on oatmeal, on pancakes, with a spoon, this is just very good stuff. If you guys watched my most recent What I Eat in a Day video, then these will probably look familiar to you. These are something I try to have on hand whenever I can because they're super, super convenient, delicious, organic, vegan, and just really actually flavorful and delicious. So this one is the Everyday Dal with black lentils, tomatoes, and cumin. This is a flavor I have not tried yet, so I'm really excited about it. And basically you just warm this up, and what I like to do is either serve this with some rice, quinoa, potatoes. You could even eat this on its own with some crusty bread on the side for a super fast meal, or even some crackers. But then I also got this one, which is the Everyday Dal red lentil, butternut squash, and coconut. They're really, really wholesome. They have super simple ingredients, something that you feel like you could really make this at home, but if you're in a pinch and you don't have time to make it from scratch, I really think that these are the next best option. And also you can add some like frozen vegetables. So if I have frozen broccoli, cauliflower, peas, whatever, I will sometimes add that when I'm heating this up, put that whole thing over quinoa, maybe throw in a handful of spinach or something like that, and I have an extremely healthy, hearty, wholesome, nourishing meal in like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I feel like I'm cheating. It's so good. Another pantry item that I picked up is just some organic pumpkin. I have so many ways that I love to use pumpkin. My pumpkin pancakes is probably my favorite. It's one of my favorite pancake recipes I've come up with. I like to do a dollop of unsweetened coconut yogurt and some warm maple syrup on top. It's absolute heaven. But I also really like to freeze them, and then I'll just toast them up like a toaster waffle and maybe put some almond butter on it, and it's a really nice snack. And since they're made with pumpkin and wholesome ingredients like oats, I feel really good about eating them, and it kind of feels like a sweet treat even though it's healthy. So I load up on pumpkin this time of year. I have quite a few savory and sweet pumpkin recipes, like this really cozy, creamy pumpkin sage pasta. This is one of my favorite things to make in the fall time. And I also really love making my pumpkin brownie cheesecake bites. They're so good. They're kind of like a pumpkin cheesecake topping on top of a really fudgy vegan brownie. They're so delicious, very fall themed and inspired, and really, really great as well. So like I said, I load up on pumpkin because I use it for all different kinds of things, and I'll put some of my favorite pumpkin recipes in the description box below. I picked up not one, not two, but 3 bags of these unreal peanut butter cups. So what I saw on Thrive Market was that you can actually do like a bundle deal for these and pick which ones you want. So I did a bundle of 3 dark chocolate almond butter cups, crispy dark chocolate peanut butter cups, the classic dark chocolate peanut butter cup, and these are my favorite of the bunch. They're so good. All of these are vegan and they're the perfect little size. So I hope it was helpful for you guys to see some of my favorite snack items and pantry goods that I pick up on Thrive Market. If you would like to try Thrive, then make sure you check out the link in the description box below this video. There will be a clickable link that you can use, and I really would love to know what you get, or if there's something that you already always get from Thrive that I missed here today. Comment below so I can add it to my cart next time. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye!